Most people in the UK could save £3,000 to £5,000 a year without earning more money, without giving up their morning coffee, and without tracking every single pound. The problem isn't income, it's how we budget. Silent budgeting is a smarter, calmer way to manage money. It's about setting up simple systems once, then letting them work quietly in the background. No spreadsheets, no guilt, no feeling skint. Most people in the UK want to save money, but there's never anything left at the end of the month. We tap our cards, use Apple Pay, and everything's on direct debit. So overspending doesn't feel real. Traditional budgets rely on willpower, and willpower runs out. That's why so many people feel stuck, even on a decent salary. Here are 9 silent budgeting tricks that actually work, especially in the UK. As soon as you're paid, move money straight into savings. Treat it like a bill, not an option. Keep your spending money and savings in separate accounts. Even better, use a different bank for savings. Gym memberships, streaming services, delivery apps. Cancel what you don't use once and save every month after. If it's not essential, wait 24 hours before buying. Most impulse purchases don't survive the wait. Phone contracts, broadband, car insurance. Switch or negotiate once a year and pocket the savings. Every pay rise or bonus, save at least half. If you never get used to spending it, you won't miss it. Choose one category you overspend on, like takeaways or nights out. Use cash only. Decide your savings goal first. Spend what's left. Without guilt. No daily tracking, just a 10-minute check-in once a month. The most powerful silent budgeting trick is automating your savings. When I set up automatic transfers, everything changed. The money was saved before I could spend it, and my finances improved without effort. 9 silent budgeting tricks. No extreme cutbacks, no stress. Comment below, which budgeting trick are you starting today? And if you want more simple UK money advice, check out my other videos and subscribe. Like this video, share it and subscribe.